Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Prebell with Team William O'Neill India. Hmm. It's the start of a fresh week, April 24th, 2023, and we are approaching the expiry week for the month of April, that is the first month of the financial year. And if you look at the Nifty setup, so the 200 DMA acting as a very good support for the Nifty. And I think since last 4 to 5 sessions, every day Nifty is testing its 200 DMA. If you see over here, एंड आई थिंक फ्राइडे को थोड़ा नीचे आया था 200 DMA के इंट्राडे बट it managed to close just above its 200 DMA and that's something good. So let's see. I think if Nifty now again finds support near 200 DMA today, or maybe if just opens above the Thursday Friday's high, and then we can see some momentum picking up because there's a long consolidation. You can see अगर आप last if you see last 10 sessions, the range has been very similar. So 17,800 is the high, 17,500, 550, 550, 600 पे support मिल रहा है. So the Nifty is going in through a very narrow range, and I think there might be some breakout or breakdown from that range during the week, or you can say the Nifty is already near the lower range of the this range. So अगर 550 600 के around ही अभी Nifty है, the closing was just above the 600 level. ठीक है, वहां से अभी चांसेस है कि अगर ऊपर जाना है तो यहाँ से सपोर्ट लेके निफ्टी माइट ट्राई टू अगेन अटेम्प्ट दैट सीलिंग ऑफ 800 850. 800 850 का ये सीलिंग लेवल है निफ्टी के लिए. वहां पे फिर से एक बार निफ्टी ट्राई करेगा कि इसको निकाले. So that's how the Nifty has been setting up for the week. Overall, if you see, the volume activity is mixed. I think during the rally phase, the volume was a little below average to average volume. Selling में एक दिन थोड़ा ज्यादा movement था, उस दिन above average volume था. बाकी generally the volume has been just a little below average. And I think there was a very long streak of 9 consecutive sessions of winning, right? So after 9 consecutive sessions of gain, that this consolidation is healthy. I don't consider it as a problem, but this is healthy unless Nifty is trading above its 50 DMA. So 520 25 का level है, or broadly you can say वो 500 600 का level है. If the Nifty is getting support in the 500 600 level, then it's healthy. Looking at the way it has moved higher from the 16,800 level for 9 consecutive sessions, these kind of consolidations are healthy. So a lot of good results. Reliance Industry came up with a result, and I think the Q4 was a beat on all the parameters, and they have reported the highest ever quarterly profit. So all the business, I think on all the front did really well. The Geo did well. The retail segment growth is decent, more than around 20% growth in the segment. The oil to chemical segment revenue fell around 11.8%, but that was in line with the expectations or just above the expectation. It was not something very negative. So it's a market leader. Reliance is a market leader, but on the flip side, you also need to see their capex is also very high. The Reliance का इस बार का आप capex वाला चीज देखे, so the capex is also very high this time. So let's see overall how the reaction is, but it's neutral to positive. That's what I think. ICICI Bank reported the highest ever NIM, 4.9 जो इसका है. It expanded 90 bips on a YOY basis. This is something excellent. And the profit surged 40%. ये कोई matured company. So ICICI is a matured company, but the results are like a growth company. So the net interest income surged 40%. The profitability increased 30% YOY to more than 9,000 crore, and NIM has expanded to all-time high of 4.9%. So it's an excellent result from the ICICI Bank. Even the asset quality is stable, no major issue over there. And then another news from the bank, I have missed to write over here, but the RBI has provided regulatory relief for the request of merger with respect to HDFC Limited and HDFC Bank. So Yes Bank has also reported the result. So it's on a negative side. Then NII income grew only 15%. Profit fell 45% on a YOY to just 200 crore. The expectations were a little higher. And one good news from the IT sector is when it is struggling a lot, that Wipro's board will be considering a buyback proposal on April 27th. Okay, so some good news were around the realty sector, the macro tech developer, the pre-sales FY24 guidelines was higher, around 10% higher, and they are saying the price growth is also good as far as the selling is concerned. So if you look at the global market, the US was flat on Friday. All the three index closing flat. Dow, S&P, Nasdaq rarely happens. If you look at the Asian markets, a mixed signal. Kospi is down, Nikkei is 0.3% higher, and Shanghai is minus 0.4%. So they are mixed indicators. So US was flat, Asian market mixed indicators. So it all depends upon how we react on our results, on our technical. So technically, नो मेजर इश्यूज इन द निफ्टी रिजल्ट जो मेजर रिजल्ट है जो मार्केट को इम्पेक्ट करते हैं वहां पे कोई इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So that's why SGX is indicating a positive start for the Nifty. So the futures level is trading above the 17,000 level. So according to that, Nifty might open above that 650 level, that is 17,650 level. So let's see how higher it opens, because we still have some 10-15 minutes, and these are enough for a 40-50 points or even more volatility. So if you consider chart of the day, I like this one. In fact, I like the story really good. The railway stocks are doing really well, and their order books. The railway capex जो बजट में 2 बार से allocate हो रहा है, the high railway capex plus the order books of these companies are at all-time high. And last few results, the sales growth as well as the EPS growth has been very, very consistent. In fact, अगर आप पिछले 4-5 का देखें, so it is like a growth in these stocks. And look at the O'Neill ratings. So all are excellent. So if you look at the EPS strength of 89 and the price strength of 85, buyer demand of A plus is excellent. ठीक है, group rank among the top 40 है. And what I particularly like about this one is the accumulation. अगर यहाँ पे अभी आप देखें, especially in the month of April and especially the last few quarters, few sessions, the volume has been very high when the price was moving higher. जैसे कि ये वाला देखे, सबसे highest price increase इस दिन था और volume भी सबसे ज्यादा उसी दिन था. So this is something really good. But yeah, so this is you can be the part of your watch list, but the 5%, it is 5% below the pivot, and you need give time to get it breakout, and the breakout should be on a very decent volume, or you can say above average volume. So that's it for today's session, guys. Thank you for joining.